Every step is marked by grace, every road your holy way. In the shadows, in the light, you are faithful, you are right.
When the path seems steep and long, your steady hand keeps me strong. Through the doubt and through the pain, your truth remains, your love sustains.
Even when I cannot see, you're the road beneath my feet. You lead me on in righteous paths, your mercy guides me as I stand, not by my strength, but by your hand, forever walking in your plan. Your word a lamp that lights my way, through valleys deep, through bright new days. Each moment shaped by grace divine, your purpose writes this heart of mine. When I stumble, you lift me high.
When I wander, you draw me nigh.
You never fail, you never tire, your justice burns a holy fire. You lead me on in righteous paths, your mercy guides me as I stand, not by my strength, but by your hand, forever walking in your plan.
When I cannot see, you're the road beneath my feet.
You lead me on in righteous paths, your mercy guides me as I stand, not by my strength, but by your hand, forever walking in your plan.
Even when I cannot see, you're the road beneath my feet.
You lead me on in righteous path, your mercy guides me as I stand, not by my strength, but by your hand, forever walking in your plan. Rooted deep within your love, I stand secure, unshaken.
You have built my life on grace, and every fear is taken.
You have turned my mourning into songs, my sorrow into praise. Every breath declares your goodness through endless nights and days.
Every moment, every sigh lifts a hallelujah high, overflowing with thankfulness for all you've done, for all you've given, overflowing with thankfulness. Your mercy is my rhythm of living.
Through the fire, through the rain, still your joy remains the same. Every trial shapes my song to the one to whom I belong. Every blessing I have known abides, His gentle mercy by my side. No fear remains, no doubt, no pain. His rest is where my soul will stay.
Through every tear, through joy or loss, I see His love upon the cross. Your voice, O Lord, still calls my name. Forever faithful, ever the same.
The Lord is here, Emmanuel, God with us, all is well. My heart is whole, my soul can rest. The Lord is here, and I am blessed.
Your presence fills the quiet room and chases off the fear and gloom. You lift my eyes, renew my song. Your peace has been my strength all along.
Each breath I take, your grace sustains. Through every joy, through every pain,
Your love surrounds, your light reveals a hope no darkness can conceal.
the Lord is here, Emmanuel, God with us, all is well. My heart is home, my soul can rest. The Lord is here, and I am blessed. Your voice still calls through wind and flame. Be still and know I'm here again. No shadow falls where you abide. Forever near, forever by my side. The Lord is here, Emmanuel, God with us, all is well. My heart is home, my soul can rest. The Lord is here, the Lord is here, Emmanuel, God with us, all is well. My heart is home, my soul can rest. The Lord is here, and I am blessed. One thing I ask, one thing I seek, to live where you forever speak. No greater joy my heart has found
than dwelling here on holy ground. Your voice resounds through quiet air, and every breath becomes a prayer.
All my life I've longed to see
The beauty of your majesty. I long to dwell within your house, to see your beauty, lift my vows. Forever near, forever true, my heart will dwell in you.
Your courts are peace, your mercy wide. Your presence is my soul's delight. When trials come or fears surround,
Your steadfast love is holy ground. No storm can move what you have built. No shame remains, for grace is spilled.
your faithfulness renews my soul.
You are the home that makes me whole. I long to dwell within your house, to see your beauty, lift my vows. Forever near,
Forever true, my heart will dwell in you. Day by day your grace renews, my soul abides in truth. No greater joy my heart could find than dwelling where your glory shines. I'll dwell with you forevermore.
in love that time cannot ignore.
I long to dwell within your house, to see your beauty, lift my vows. Forever near, forever true, my heart will dwell you.
My heart will dwell in you.
Fields of mercy, fields of grace, you prepare my resting place. Every need your hands provide. I am safe here by your side.
Morning sunlight warms my face. Your promises my heart embrace. Each step I take, you go before. Your love provides forevermore. In every breath I find you near. Your kindness drives away all fear. In green pastures I will lie. Your goodness shining from on high. Every season, every day, your faithful love will make a way.
When the path grows rough or long, your joy becomes my steady song.
Through hills and valleys, still I see your hand of grace sustaining me. You fill my cup, it overflows. Your endless mercy ever flows. No lack, no loss can steal my peace. In you my heart finds sweet release. pastures I will lie. Your grace forever lifts my eyes. Through every storm, through every day, your faithful love will make a way.
I come before your gates with joy, with music rising from my soul. Your faithfulness through generations tells the world you make us whole.
The fields will clap, the seas will roar, creation sings the ancient chord. From age to age your truth remains, forever we proclaim the Lord. Every step is grace that leads us, every breath becomes our praise.
Enter his gates with thanksgiving,
And his courts with praise.
enter his gates with thanksgiving, for the Lord is great. Lift the weary, calm the waves, you write our stories full of grace. Your mercy meets us at the door, invites our hearts to trust once more. Every voice and every nation finds a home within your name. Enter his gates with thanksgiving,
And his courts with praise.
enter his gates with thanksgiving,
For the Lord is great.
Your love has led me home again, and now my song will never end. Your faithfulness my heart will tell, forever good, Emmanuel. Enter his gates with thanksgiving,
And his courts with praise.
enter his gates with thanksgiving, for the Lord is great. Enter his gates with thanksgiving,
And his courts with praise.
enter his gates with thanksgiving, for the Lord is great. For the Lord he is great. The world may offer fleeting crowns that fade away with time and sound, but you, oh Lord, remain the same. Eternal love, unending flame.
The stars may shine, the kingdoms fall, but you are greater than them all.
Your glory fills the heavens high, and every heart lifts you on high. is yours alone, my risen King.
Let my life be a melody of humble love and purity. Let every breath, each heartbeat fall to say, you deserve it all.
Only you deserve it all. Every crown laid at your feet. Only you deserve my praise. In every song I'll repeat, only you deserve it all. Forever, Lord, I'll sing. In every tear you see my pain. You hold my heart through every strain. You lift my eyes when hope seems gone. Your gentle love keeps leading on. Through shattered dreams and silent cries, your mercy meets me where I lie. When I am weak, your strength appears. You wipe away my hidden tears. Near to the brokenhearted, you are closer than the midnight star. You heal the soul, you mend the scar. You're near to the brokenhearted. You hear the cries the world can't hear. You bring your light and draw me near. Your mercy flows like healing rain, and joy is born from deepest pain. You lift the lowly from the dust and teach my weary heart to trust. You turn my mourning into song and prove your grace has held me strong. Near to the brokenhearted, you are closer than the midnight star. You heal the soul, you mend the scar. You're near to the brokenhearted. Your hands restore, your heart redeems. You gather all my shattered dreams. Forever close, you'll always be near to the brokenhearted, near to me. No wound too deep, no night too long. Your steadfast love will be my song. Near to the brokenhearted, you are closer than the midnight star. You heal the soul, you mend the soul. You're near to Blessings flow from heaven's hand, more than I could dream or plan. Every gift comes down from you, mercy endless, love so true.
Morning grace and evening light fill my heart with pure delight. Every moment sings your name, every joy declares your fame. Grace unending pouring down, lifting hearts from barren ground. My cup is overflowing still, your goodness chasing surely will. Forevermore my song will be, the shepherd's love has covered me. You turn my tears to songs of praise. You turn my tears to songs of praise.
You crown my years with brighter
You
days.
crown my years with brighter days.
Your faithfulness will never fade.
In every step, your hand has stayed. Overflowing, running free, heaven's river flows through me. Love unending, joy untold, grace abundant.